So in this video, ang i-discuss ko naman ay mga alkenes. So what are alkenes? Recall natin na alkenes are hydrocarbons that contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. So dun sa double bond, we have one sigma bond and one pi bond. Okay? So yung pi bond, siya yung usually nagpa-participate sa mga chemical reactions. Okay? So ang i-discuss ko muna ay preparation. Maraming ways para mag-prepare ng alkene. Pero ang i-discuss ko ay itong tatlong examples. We can prepare an alkene from an alkane na walang functional groups by these two simple steps. First is the halogenation. So, free radical halogenation by bromine with light or heat. Okay, mapaproduce tayo ng alkyl halide. Then, elimination reaction by a strong base such as NaOH or any other alkoxides. Okay, pwedeng E1 or E2. And the final product will be an alkene. Okay? Next is the dehydration of alcohols. So, isa-subject mo yung alcohol sa strong acid such as H2SO4 or any halo acids. Pero ang halo acids kasi nagpaproduce siya ng alkyl halides. So, mas maganda na H2SO4. Why? HSO4 o yung bisulfate nyo ay very weak nucleophile. So, hindi siya mag-a-attack dun sa ating carbocation. Okay? So, after the reaction, magpaproduce tayo ng alkene. Okay? This is actually an elimination reaction. Ini-eliminate natin yung hydroxide by adding acid. So, next is the Wittig reaction. So, sa Wittig reaction, magko-combine tayo ng alkyl halide tsaka ng carbonyl compound, okay, through the triphenyl phosphine or the PPH3. Okay? So, ang triphenyl phosphine, phosphorus siya na may tatlong benzene. Okay? Yan yung itsura niya. So, this triphenyl phosphine, okay, is parang catalyst or part siya ng reaction para makapag-combine yung iyong alkyl halide tsaka yung iyong carbonyl compound. So, butyllithium in PHF, isa rin siya sa mga reagents na ginagamit, okay? So, next dyan na gagawin, or ang mangyayari dyan, okay, yung itong part na to ng yung carbonyl compound, tsaka itong part na to, magko-combine yan. So, kapag naging alkene na siya, okay, ito yung ethyl group ng iyong ethyl chloride, ito naman yung propyl group ng iyong acetone. Okay? Tapos, they are bound by a double bond. So, ganyan mag-synthesize ng alkene through the Wittig reaction. Okay? So, yung mechanisms ng mga reaction na to, I'll discuss this in further detail sa mga susunod na videos. Okay? So, now let's consider the geometric isomerism in alkenes. So, alam natin na itong carbon-carbon double bond na ito ay rigid. So, meron tayong possibility na magkaroon ng mga groups na either opposite or same side with respect to this particular line na nagko-coincide dun sa double bond. Okay? So, for example, we have an alkene. Okay? So, kapag ka yung R ay pareho ng side with respect to the line that coincides with the double bond, ang tawag natin doon ay cis isomer. Okay? Tapos, kapag naman opposite, okay, tawag natin doon ay trans. Okay? So, nangyayari lang yung cis-trans isomerism kapag ka yung R groups, okay, ay identical. So, ibig sabihin yung R1 and R1, pareho lang sila. Okay? Kaya pareho sila ng label. So, cis-trans isomerism, pag identical yung groups with respect to the double bond. Okay? This particular double bond. Paano kapag hindi? So, gagamit tayo ng E-Z isomerism. Or EZ notation. Okay? So, paano tayo nag-execute ng EZ notation sa isang particular alkene? So, una natin gagawin, for example, meron tayo nito. Okay? Tingnan muna natin yung double bond, tapos mag-create tayo ng line na perpendicular dun sa carbon-carbon double bond. Okay? Tapos, let's look first in this side. So, sa side na to, okay, kita natin na hydrogen yung isa, tapos yung isa ay carbon. Since mas mabigat to, ito yung priority. Okay? So, delete ko lang yung check dito para hindi malito. Ayan. So, priority to dahil siya yung mas mabigat. Okay? The heavier atom attached to the double bond is the priority. So, punta naman tayo sa side na to. Ang i-compare naman natin ay ito. Okay? So, mas mabigat to kaysa dito. So, ito naman yung priority. Okay? Priority. So, ngayon, i-divide na natin siya. Isulat na natin yung line coincidental with that double bond. So, makikita natin na nasa same side yung dalawa. Okay? So, kapag nasa same side, that's the Z isomer. So, ang itatawag natin dito ay Z2-pentene. Okay? Yung Z doon ay with respect to the carbon 2 and 3 which are in double bond with each other. Okay? Kapag naman opposite, E ang isomerism. Okay? So, take a look at the opposite sides of the double bond, determine which substituents are bigger, then if the substituents on the end are the same side, okay, pag same side, Z, pagka opposite, E. So, yung otherwise ay opposite. Okay? So, here we have some sample problems. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-name natin yung mga alkenes using the EZ system. Okay? So, for number 1, bilangin muna natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So, heptadiene, kasi dalawa yung double bond niya. Okay? Ito, tsaka ito. Okay? So, now, 1, 2, yung carbon 2, 3, and 4, yun yung may mga double bond. So, tingnan muna natin yung carbon 2. So, carbon 2, that is 2Z. Kasi, yung priorities nila ay nasa same side. Okay? Yung sa 4 naman, 4. So, pag tinignan natin yung number 4, okay, H dito, nasa opposite, so 4E. Okay? So, the rest are substituents. So, meron tayong 6-methyl. Okay? So, 6-methyl, okay, 2Z, 4E, heptadiene. So, that's for number 1. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa number 2. So, sa number 2, identical yung ating sides. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, bibilangin lang natin yung longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is a hexene. Okay? So, next is, bilangin natin kung nasaan, or hanapin natin kung nasaan yung double bond. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3 ang kanyang double bond. So, 3 and 4. Tapos, nasa 3 and 4, yung dalawang methyl. So, that's 3, 4, dimethyl. Okay? Tapos, lagyan natin ng cis. Cis, 3, 4, dimethyl. Lagyan natin yung 3, hexene. Okay? So, yan yung name ng number 2. So, cis, 3, 4, dimethyl, 3, hexene. Okay? So, next, okay, nandito nagsa-start. Pinakamalapit yung double bond sa side na to. So, dito tayo mag-start magbilang. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, nasa 2, nasa 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, that's undecatriene. Okay? So, next is the assignment of the E and Z. So, tingnan natin sa number 2. Okay? Wala. So, lagyan lang natin ay 2. Kasi, identical yung nasa kabilang side. So, wala siyang E and Z isomers. Okay? So, sa 4, opposite. So, 4E. Sa 6, opposite din. So, 6E. Okay? Any substituents? Sa number 2. Okay? So, that's 2-methyl. Okay? 2, 4E. 6E. Okay? Undecatriene. Okay? So, that's for number 3. Sa number 4 naman, bilangin natin yung parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, that's heptadiene. Okay? So, heptadiene. So, tingnan natin kung nasan yung mga double bonds. 1, 2. Okay? So, that's 2. So, nandito yung priority number 1. Since yung bromine mas malaki sa carbon by mass. So, that is Z. Okay? So, atoms ang inyong i-assess, hindi yung laki ng size or yung size ng mismong group atoms ang ating kino-consider dito. Okay? So, next is 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, sa 4, okay, dito sa carbon number 4, since ito yung priority over this, tapos ito naman yung priority over the hydrogen, okay? So, that's 4Z. Okay? So, any substituents? Well, meron tayong substituents, di ba? 3, okay? Nandito yung bromo sa number 3, tsaka sa number 5. 5, dibromo. Bromo, okay? Tapos, 2Z, 4Z, heptadiene. Okay? So, that is for number 4. Finally, for number 5, dito tayo mag-start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, that's hexadiene. Okay? So, meron tayong double bond dito. That's just 1 kasi wala siyang isomerism. Okay? Parehong hydrogen to. Wala siyang E at Z isomers. Okay? Next, we have 2, 3. So, sa carbon number 3, tingnan natin. Okay? Mas malaki to. Okay? And this is the same. So, 3 lang siya. Wala siyang E and Z isomerism kasi pareho to, tsaka ito. Okay? So, paano natin in-name itong alkene na to? Tingnan na lang natin yung substituent. So, sa number 2, meron tayong methyl. Sa number 4, meron tayong ethyl. So, that's 4 ethyl. Okay? Una yung E, kasi ethyl yung ating mauuna dahil siya yung alphabetically nauuna, yung E. Okay? Then, 2, okay, methyl. 1, 3, hexadiene. So, wala siyang E and Z isomerism because of the lack of isomerism dun sa dalawa nating double bonds. Okay? So, for the next video, i-discuss ko na yung reactions ng alkenes. So, see you next video.